This 2024 Forest River IBEX 19BHEO is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 23 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleep's 8, carbon monoxide detector, awning, air conditioning, stovetop burner, microwave, refrigerator, external shower, LP detector, spare tire kit, water heater, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River IBEX 19BHEO is 3,450 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.